Hi everyone, we have a couple new cars in the collection today. First up is the Audi RS7. This is by GT Spirit, so this is non-opening diecast. This is resin. The RS7, of course, is, kind of the swept back coupe version of the A6 platform. This is, I guess you'd say, the second generation. You don't have open mesh, like I said over the past few reviews. I think GT Spirit is cutting costs a little bit. You do have good wheels and tires, simulated drilled rotors. I think this color is called Nardo Gray. Not my favorite color, it kind of reminds me of shiny primer. Interior a little boring, just black. Not much to make out there. Does have the kind of nice sort of quilted pattern of Audi RS models. Again, no open mesh on the back either. Pretty good looking car. I do have the RS6 wagon, which I reviewed recently. Again, similar platform. This has a twin turbo V8 known as a hot V, meaning the turbos are inside the V bank of the two cylinder heads. I think 590-ish horsepower, 591 maybe, something random like that. This is car number 733 of 1100. Retail, I think about 129, typical GT Spirit. This was on sale around Black Friday at Diecast Wholesale Models. I think I picked it up for about 70 bucks. That price, I'm not mad at it. Packaging is your typical black. Enclosed styro, with a little preview on the end. Up next is a Porsche Cayenne. This is a Cayenne Turbo S. This is the second generation. I think we're up to our third generation now. You can tell the third gen because it'll have a complete light bar across the rear. But this is second gen. This is opening diecast. This is by Minichamps. I reviewed the BMW a couple weeks ago, the Minichamps of old with flocking and carpeting. Well, this is not that. This is more modern Minichamps where you open up the interior and you don't see carpeting or flocking, which I think is pretty disappointing at this price point. This retails for comfortably over $100, maybe $159 for this. I expect carpeting. I mean, these are, Auto Art prices. Auto Art gives you carpeting and scale hinges and stuff, but here we are with dog legs and whatnot. You do get a nice little helper button for the hood. I do appreciate that. Very similar engine to the Audi. I think similar just architecture, and they share some components. But another hot V8, mid 500s horsepower in this generation. But again, dog legs at $159 or so MSRP. Engine detail is pretty lacking, but it's better than no engine detail. Opening trunk. Again, no carpeting, no, parcel cover that opens up with little struts, nothing like that, nothing great. You do have metalish rotors, it looks like. Big Porsche yellow calipers. Some detail underneath. Again, nice, but not $159 nice. I traded a friend a car I picked up that I didn't need for 30 bucks, so I'm into it for 30 bucks. That price I'm not mad at, but if I paid anywhere near $100, I'd be like, give me a Norev instead, please. Packaging, here's your white box. Claimed to be one of 300, but it's not numbered. So I do like limited editions, but I do like them numbered. So really, alright. Just alright. So that's it for this week. I've been getting over a cold, so I haven't posted a Diecast Doctor, because who wants to hear me sucking on my own snot and blowing my nose? So maybe on Saturday, hopefully I'll feel well enough to give you a new episode of Diecast Doctor. That's it for this week. Everyone please like and subscribe, and have a good one.